Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you my secret to having double eyelids. Okay, I have already been putting it for one whole day yesterday, and you see the effect is so good that I don't even need to put my double eyelid stickers anymore. So this is what I look like before and after. I'm going to show you, I bought this double eyelid stickers. I don't know whether you can see, but it's very thin. And then I'm selling this, if you're interested, it's $28 and inclusive of the paid postpaid, as in like inclusive of the postage as well. So if you're interested, let me know. So I'm going to show you how to use this one. So I'm going to use this I normally like to use this pincer, it's easier. Okay, and you must do it without makeup on, so that means you can put your foundation first and then you follow according to the curve here. And then just press it down will do. So if you find that it's too high, you can adjust it. So I find that it's a bit too high, so I'm going to adjust it down. So normally you do it before your makeup, as in before you put your eye primer, all these things. So make sure you put your sticker like that. The ending will be at the pincer area, and then you adjust from there. So I can adjust this part, the front part. It takes some practice, but after a while it's okay. You can do it on your own. Or you can come for my class, I'll teach you how to adjust. So I'm going to use my eye primer here. The eye primer helps to prime your eye makeup, make it long lasting. I'm just going to do a very simple eye makeup today. I'm really amazed by the long staying of this this sticker. So I'm not going to do eyeliner today, so it's just going to be very simple. Then after that we just mascara. Simple and easy, and then after that I'm gonna apply my highlighter. As you all know, I'm very tan right now, so I'm gonna use my gold highlighter. And then I'm going to use this color. Ta-da! Simple and easy.